Whoops, almost streamed the Twitch homepage by accident. I'm good at this, team. Okay, I think I'm ready now. We're gonna be continuing where I left off last time. Which was with the intro stuff. We had this so far. And I need to make the options menu. It doesn't work. Okay. So right, I made the vertical box. I've never used a vertical box before. But what I want to do first is, I'm gonna have to fix all this later. Actually, I'm gonna have to fix it now, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix it now when I do the rest of this. But we're gonna take a second and take a look at stuff like this. If only I could spell. Yeah, we want to go into the settings. That's right. Is good question. Where is that under? AR settings. Instruction listener. That's something to remember. Oh, it has its own category. Okay. Add action mapping, add axis mapping. Wow, these are some stuff. Apply resolution settings. That's not exactly what we want, but thank you. What else can we do, I wonder? Confirm video mode. Force rebuild key maps. See a lot of gets here. Get desktop resolution, foliage quality, get full screen mode. Not a lot of sets. Is dirty. But why though? Why is it called that? Is full screen mode dirty? Okay. Yeah, here we go. So we can set anti-aliasing. What else can we do? I'm gonna put all of these up here. Scalability. There's a save game section. Yo. That's important for later. Scalability. That allows scalability. No, that's not. Anyways, back to settings. What else can we do? This is gonna how we're gonna. This is how I'm gonna find out what I'm gonna actually put. Alright. Run hardware benchmark. Damn. And that was a thing. Set audio quality level. What other settings can we get? Never made a settings menu, so this is all new to me. Oop, too far. Foliage quality set full screen mode. Oh, windowed full screen. I need it. I need it. I really do need it. What else we got? Settings. Overall scalability level. I assume this uses the epic. Yep, the epic scale levels. That's important. Huh. Apparently someone doesn't know their fucking ABC. What else can we do? Post-processing, or that's not really a thing. That's the user setting for screen resolution. What else can we do? Sync enable. As that's screen resolution. I don't think that's one I want to mess with right now. The thing that I thought I could do. Ooh, I didn't know I could do that. Anyways, we're gonna go with 5 settings then. I don't know how that one works. 4 settings. 4 settings. Alright. We're gonna go back to our designer now and we're gonna add Xbox. And we'll save. You know what? Let me get a drink of water real quick before we get really into this. Be right back. Okay. We's back. We're gonna add a few text boxes. putting them, they're vertically spaced. Let's put the 4 boxes right now. 4. And do we want a 5th for apply? Nah, we'll put apply somewhere else. But let's see. We got our anchors. On the vertical box, yes. Transform, no. Interesting. So it doesn't automatically space everything. Which is what I thought it's supposed to do. Okay. Well, it does. Interesting. Horizontally aligned. There we go. We have to set them all to fill and not auto size. There we go. That's a little better. That's much better. Everything we have to do. Center. Center and center. Center. There we go. Yeah, now it's starting to look like what we want. Okay, I like the vertical box. What else can we do with it? We gotta change the text. Justifications. Transform policy, that sounds fun. I don't know what that does, so I'm not gonna mess with it. Okay. Good. And quick check. Oh, go away, malware bytes. Good, it's not visible. Hit this and we get the game, and okay. Pew pew pew. So our settings, and I'm gonna move this to my second screen. Don't mind me, guys. I don't need this. Oh, wait. I needed that in my main screen, though. Can I open the graph in a separate window? I cannot. Alright. So we're gonna have our screen. This is gonna be our screen mode. Change the name here to screen mode. What else we got? Anti-aliasing. I wonder if that's actually going to help at all. I'm just putting it there because I can at this rate. Next is you know what? Move that up. That's an overall quality. Graphic quality. And last but not least, we've got our VSync. I wonder if the music's a little too loud. I'm gonna lower it a little. Because in my experience, I usually have my music too loud. Okay. Alright. We got this. Now what I also want, duplicate this. scan rate. Want to put it location 648 by 624. Now I want to move it over some. Here. Middle. By default, you are also hidden, right? Settings variables and settings names. Okay. We're going somewhere. Oh, whoops. Graphic quality. Variable. Screen mode. Variable. A variable. Desync variable. I think these should be variables. Should be a variable too, actually. Variable. I need to bind all of your text, create binding. We'll leave it as is. That gets me every time, Unreal. I'm gonna bind you. Every time. Bind you. Not this time. Almost got me. And bind you. Oh, and last but not least, I forgot to change the font. We want heavy data. We want that heavy data font that I've been working with, that I currently have a fetish for. Wait a second. I lied. Lied in the Twitter. I said I would reply to the tweet, not post a new one. Whoops. Ah, well. Alright. Back to what we were doing. Heavy data, boys. Oh. The autosave scared me. I'm like, no, I crashed Unreal. Now. Get a graph. Let's do these first. Get the graphics variable. Get graphics variable. That's gonna be easy. Get. Not gonna be. Overall scalability. Oh, well. Target self. I don't think that is a. Self actually works as a reference for this? That's interesting. Okay. We're branching. I'm gonna promote this to a variable. Now we're not gonna promote it to a variable. Just I might as well promote it now. Oops. I made a comment. Wanted to type in here. Start a branch. Now this, I believe, is Return -1 if settings are custom. Oh, thank you for telling me that. I was wondering. Good, good, good. Okay, okay, okay. We're gonna have a bunch of branch statements, basically. Good, 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 good. And it could also copy this for reference. For reference. So value. -1. It's -1. We get a setter for a local variable. Custom. Done. Easy. We basically keep doing this down the line. Now I can remove this. Nope. Better to use a getter, I think, for that. Keep the getter. And we just keep going down the line for every value. So, letter branch. False. Another one of these is equal to 0. That is low. These. That's low setting. These two, well, these three actually. Just keep copying these three down, huh? One, I believe, medium. Epic cinematic. Ooh, yo, you want to set my sprite game to cinematic? Hold on, guys. I need a bathroom break again. Or again, my first one. Listen to music while I. Oh, hey, Scar. You came just in time for the bathroom break. I hope you enjoy. I'll be back. I'm back, I'm back. So hey Scar, welcome to the boring part of game design, making a settings menu. That's what I'm currently working on now. Can't wait for people to run my sprite-based game in epic settings, which probably won't provide anything. We're just going down right now and creating some branch strings. Well then, feel free to keep watching. Essentially what I'm working on... Man, this is spaghetti code compared to some of the shit I've ever seen in like screenshots. Right now what I'm working on is here. I'll show you this tab, the designer tab. So normally these won't all be visible at the same time. So it's really hard to see, but essentially I'm working on the options, which is these two columns here. In fact, wait, I can just... There we go. And what I'm doing right now is I'm binding the text for all of these to a variable based on what they're actually set to. Right now I'm just working on the overall graphic quality and setting that. What I'm doing is I'm basically making a getter. I'm going to get at what level the scalability is and return a text string based on the value, which I keep checking here. I think it's 1 through 4. Yep. 3 being epic. But no, I'm on 2. I'm on 2. 2 is high? 2 is high. I honestly, well no, I have seen the difference. I have seen the difference between all of these. Well, between at least the highest and the lowest, and there is a difference, even for sprites. But honestly, I think the most important setting is the full screen setting. And we get to epic here, and the last setting is cinematic. Yep, 4, cinematic. After that, it clamps. Who wants to run a cinematic 2D sprite game? Eh? Oh, I knew it was gonna return an error. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, it can't be set to self. Get game user setting. Interesting. I didn't expect that to be its own logic pattern. That's fine. I return it like this. That should work. Though I do wonder if it'll work, which I have to then make a setting for to get it to actually work. Event graph. I regret not organizing this better for now. What we have to do is an epress listen. Here's my 2 branch. Okay, I did make a 2 branch. Thank God I made a 2 branch. Thank God I made a 2 branch. Thank you, past Cecil. Thank you for helping me, future Cecil. Alright. This, I'm gonna get start box. I'm gonna get the option box. I'm gonna get the exit box. I'm also going to get actually references to settings names and the settings variable box. I'm gonna change all their visibility. Actually, also gonna make a new variable. Options mode. By default, you are off. Good. We're gonna set you to true. After that, we'll mess with the visibility. If I can spell visibility right. Set the visibility to these hidden. Start box, options box, and hidden. And copy in the visibility node. We're gonna make these visible. And there's no way to go back right now. That's on that. Let's check it out. This game is canon. Go down to options. There we go. Oh, really? It's on high right now. I have to fix the cursor, of course, later, but interesting. I really am on high. What if I go on low and then launch? Does it copy that? No, it doesn't copy it apparently. Interesting. Oh yeah, because that's engine scale. Preview. No. I think it's separate settings for the actual new editor window. Launch. Let me find you. Why does this keep changing? Let's play an editor. A new window, always on top. You know what? Okay, fine. We're gonna play an editor. I hate playing an editor because you're stuck to this, but we're gonna do it. No, it's still on high. Okay. So we are gonna have to figure that out. Auto. Oh, I wonder what auto is gonna pick for me. We test your system and nope, I don't want epic. Especially for a sprite game. Come on, guys. So it's only sort of working. And we won't know until I finish this. Get game user. Let's see what else we can. I really think that's the only thing we can do. Yep. But that should be working. Once we finish that, at least. Once we start making all of these changeable. But right now, we're not doing that. So. Right now, I'm just working on making the variables legible. So, next is screen mode. U. Screen mode. Alright. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna get the game setting. Get game user setting. And then we're gonna get full screen mode. There we go. Now that's interesting though. This doesn't return a value. Or does it? No, this is an enumeration value. These are bytes. Interesting. Oop. Directions not compatible. Ah, man. So I am going to have to guess. Really? Come on. Select values from the list. I hate it here. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. We'll make something to test this real quick. Real easy. We'll make a toggle. Or actually, I think I can do it through console commands. Even better. I can't spell branch right. Promote to local variable. Every time I try to name something new. Local variable. X. Oh. If it is 0, we're gonna get a setter. We're actually gonna return 0 right now. Because I need to find out what exactly is the case. Hold down. It's either 0, it either starts at 0 or it starts at 1. I need to know. I wanna know. Oh wait, no wait, nope, DMCA, nope, never mind. I'm not gonna. That's probably a DMCA waiting to happen. Damn, but now it's stuck in my head. Shit. Man. Oh, I do want to sing it. Why does Tarzan have to have a good soundtrack, guys? Three. And just for debug reasons, if it's neither of those, IDK, man. Also going to is here. Open the level blueprint. I forget. Do I destroy the actor? I do destroy the actor. So I'm gonna undo that for now. Because what I'm gonna do is sneak some code into my player just to test that. One, two, and a 3. Set full sensitivity off. Set full screen mode. Target. Course. Game user settings. $7:30 in the morning or 7:30 in the evening. These are two very different things. Oh, okay. Is she angry? I bet she's angry. One is gonna full screen us, 2 is gonna give us windowed full screen, and then this is gonna give us windowed. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Editor window. Oh, time to play. So right now we're at 2. Okay. Press 1. Interesting. It doesn't actually change it because I think I'm running a test. So full screen is, I got a -1 every, that's fine. Full screen is 1. Now I'm interested though. If I relaunch as a standalone game that is not centered on my screen so you guys can't see it properly. If I go down here, I go to 1. Interesting, it doesn't actually change it. And I think I know why. I actually do think I know why. It'll make complete sense if that is the case. Where is it under apply settings? Multiple entrances? I can. Interesting, interesting. Let's see. Do I have to actually do an apply? It would make sense if I did have to. Once again, this is open in like the corner. Screen mode 0. I'll figure it out eventually. Okay, so that didn't work right. Simulate's not gonna help us. Okay, so we can definitely read it and we can definitely apply the settings, but the settings then don't apply to the game. So, let's go take a dip into our settings section. See what we got there. Apply resolution settings, apply non-resolution settings. Fuck it. Fuck it. Well, let's keep looking. It's one of these. I have no idea what I'm doing. That went too far. Here we go. Settings. Confirm video mode. Force rebuild key maps. Oh, I know what that's for, actually. And these are a bunch of getters. There's the is dirty, which was always pretty funny. Load setting. Loads from storage, no. Don't think that's what we want. No, that's not what we want. We don't want to, oops. We don't want to zoom out like that. Back down to our settings. We are gonna look at the rest of these. I don't think it's reset current settings. Not any removing. Save setting. And we got some more sets, which is what I went through actually. Validate setting. Delete stale user settings. Interesting though. Interesting. Hold on a second. User settings. There's only a get for it. There's no set. That makes sense. Game users. I don't know what I'm. Nah, I don't want to connect this node yet. Don't want to connect that node yet. My ship's somewhere in the background. Oh shit, no! Whoops! Ah! I started the game by accident. Give me that piercing power. God. Shit. I was so busy mashing that I forgot that's also the button that procs the settings. Let's try this again. What am I doing? Oh! We did it! But also, I think I just bugged my everything else. Oh, yep, everything is bugged. I wonder how scuffed the recording is right now. Oh my god, what did you do, UE4? My second screen is just all messed up. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Whew, everything got rearranged and messed up. Oh god, you can see my OBS now. That could have been bad. Hold on, I'm gonna go to be right back in case anything sensitive appears on screen while I fix all my windows from that full screen. This is why we don't play games in full screen. Oh yeah, goodbye Vtube Studio, you're in the corner now. Close the actual game. Alright, that worked. A lot worse than expected, but it worked. Alright, okay. Oh, fuck me. I didn't check what the numbers were. Fuck, we gotta do it again, boys. We gotta do it. You know what? One was full screen. Alright, we know one was full screen. Wait, did the stream crash? No, it's so when I have two monitors. So when I full screen the game to test the settings, it full screened the game, but then it messed with the resolution of my second screen, so all my windows got rearranged in a weird way. uh, okay. Ooh. And then the other one is full screen. Okay, so it's 0 to 2. 0 to 2. Oh. Interesting. Errors in the log. Access none, trying to read property, call, get game user settings, return value. Interesting. Because there are no settings, that's what it is. If I compile this and I save it, what happens? We get that error because there's no target. But in order to create a target, I have to get the game user settings. That's fucking weird. We'll deal with that another time. Okay. But now we know. Now we know. This is not where I want to be. Now we know that it's 0 to 2. So we've got full screen. Set screen mode. Dang it. Set full screen mode. But yeah, Scar, what did you mean by what's wrong? Was what I said it? Windowed full screen. We'll call it borderless. I think that's what, right? That's what it's supposed to be. And then window. Oh, yeah, so I didn't actually pay attention to the numbers, which was the whole point of that test. Because instead I just broke everything. I got him though, I got him. Alright, so that's the variable return for the screen mode. Now, I'm hoping this is a little bit easier. The anti-aliasing. Oh yeah, because it tells me the values. Damn, we got 0 to 4 here. But I'm gonna be right back again, and I'm gonna hydrate, because hydrating's important. I don't do it often. Be right back. Alright. Water break was good. Alright. Wait, did my music just stop? Video pause, continue watching. Yes, don't stop. Did I say you could stop? Alright, where were we? Yes. Remote to local variable. Bam. And we're gonna name it AA var text. Easy mode. Easy game. Get, or just steal it from the other time you did it. We're gonna do a getter for here, and branches. Gotta love them branches. We're gonna do a branch, and we're gonna get anti not context sensitive aliasing quality. Here we have to values from 0 to 4, right? Yep, okay. Equal to 0. This is true. We're gonna set this to, is it low? Low. Yay, anti-aliasing. And we return it to the return node. If not, we keep going. It'll be 1, 2, it'll be 3, and this will be 4. Easy game, guys. Easy but tedious, yeah. This will be medium. That's not medium. We check again. Is it high? We return high then. If it's not high, we check if it's epic. And if it's epic, we return epic. But if it's not epic, then it must be cinematic. At that point, I can't even tell the difference because it's just 2D sprites. I'm not doing like ray tracing or anything. Cinematic. Here we are. That's an easy one. And last but not least, vsync. Vsync's always a nice setting. Remote to local variable, rinse and repeat, the boring part. Vsync var text, branch, need a getter for the vsync settings, get vsync, no. Interesting. Did I spell it wrong? Is there a space? Set vsync enable. Interesting. Maybe the getter I'm looking for is called something else. Vsync. Is vsync dirty? Is this game dirty? Does it need a good scrubbing? No, we're looking for is vsync enabled. That's why it's not a getter, it's an is. Different from the current system. I don't know exactly when that would be the case, but this is an easy one, actually. Not much to really mess around with here. Because it's either true or false, so we have two of these. If it's enabled, enabled. If it's not enabled, disabled. We return either value. Easy. Probably the easiest one of these. Should have started with the vsync, guys. Should have started with the vsync, guys. Take a quick look. I should probably go back to destroying the player character so we don't get the weird HUD at the top. So here, hi, border. Oh, we are borderless right now, aren't we? Well, we have a border. Hi, anti-aliasing and vsync is disabled. Good, 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 good. Almost. Are these not aligned horizontally? Hold on, what the? Are my eyes playing a trick on me? Hold up, hold up, hold up. You're about to see something real ghetto, boys. I'm gonna use MS Paint to see if these are. Oh no, these are aligned. My eyes were just playing tricks on me. Okay. 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 Alright. So we got these functions done. Let's go back to the event graph. Several things. Time. Two. Such as branch here. Options mode is false. Then all this stuff happened. But if it's true, we gotta change this. So main menu cursor movement. And up here is gonna be the options menu. There we go. That's the word I'm looking for, team. Now, these we're going to set a new integer variable. We got logo scroll, but now we need options. Options scroll. Your default value is going to be 0. Good. Actually, hold on, logo scroll. Weren't you default 1? You're 1 to 5, actually. There's going to be a 5th option. In fact, by eventually, I mean right now. We're moving. Oh, I've made a mistake. We're moving you up. We're moving you up. 540. because I want to make one more box. We're gonna make the apply button. I wonder how this is. I think I'm foreseeing an issue right now. I'm foreseeing an issue, but we'll find out if I'm overreacting or if it is going to be an issue going ahead. But let's see. Let's make a size box. Size box on the canvas. No. We want a horizontal box. Horizontal. Where you at? Where you are? Come down here, Mike. Everything the light touches is our kingdom, son. Nope. Nope. My accuracy is terrible. Or to the right. Keep doing that. There we go. And now we stretch you out a bit. Like about here. To here. There we are. And we're gonna put 2 text boxes there. I no longer want this to be a hoary box. I want a verti box. Do I want a vertical box? Vertical box would be so much easier to do. But no, let's make it horizontal. Screw it. Horizontal box, but I'm gonna need to make it bigger. Way more? No. Are you centered? The one thing I suck at, centering. I don't recall how to actually center things. Close enough. Fuck it. We'll fix it in post. We'll fix it in post. We're gonna name that apply. I put slashes in names. Apply / exit. This is a variable. Visibility. Your visibility is hidden by default. We don't want you to be visible. And we got 2 text blocks to bring in. Do both to fill, but also be centered. The apply button. Heavy data. That's not what I want. I want you to be center. Vertically center. Ah, who cares? And you are gonna be exit. Exit. Or just exit. Exit works. Data. Oh. For that, I need to add you to here. Apply exit. Get you. Okay. Now for all of these input actions, there's the down, the E, and up. I need to do a check to see if you're not in, what's it called, mode. Because if you are, then I've got to change all of this. Simple branch. A false branch. A true branch. This all. That'll be the main menu. I'll leave you down here. Based on option mode, get options mode. If you're not in options mode, we use the main menu scrolling. I do that for all right now. Copy. View over here. Paste. False. We do our regular stuff. Down over a little, I think. That's good enough. False. You guys are all the option. Okay. Thanks, Scar. Thank you so much for coming. I'll see you around. I'm hoping it goes as problem-free as possible, too. It won't. Of course it won't. But, I mean, that makes good views. It makes good moments. Okay. Got all this set up now. Now I need to do basically this. But for instead of logo scroll, we do it with the option. Later, Scar. In fact, I could just copy this. Hold up. Well, no, because I can copy it, but I have to make it from scratch because it's a different thing. Option scroll. Get it? We're gonna set it to a -1. Forgot, I don't put in the -. I mean the 1. Not -1. And then we're gonna check if subtracting 1 makes it less than 1. We reset it to the maximum value, which in this case it's not going to be an issue later. I thought it might be an issue later, but I'm like, nah. Thinking, hold up. I can figure it out. I think I know how I would make that work later. Just another issue that might be showing up down the line. We're going to set you to 5. Otherwise, don't do anything. That's all I need to do for you. You guys, I'll leave you alone for now. Here we go. Well, actually. Paste. Run you through here. And change a few nodes. Specifically these. We're going to add here. We're going to add 1. In this case. Then, if it's greater than 5, our maximum value, we're going to set it back to 1. Easy. Easy. So we've got our scrolling now in variable format. What we need now is our placement of the cursor. For this, I'm going to need another variable. And that is options Hori. No, I'm not going to need this actually. Need this, I'm going to delete this variable. I don't think I'm going to need. I am going to need it. I am going to need it with the way I'm doing things. Option 4. But now here's the thing. I need to do some looking at this. So, no, not you. Logo. Current translation is 0 by 0, which is perfect. However, you is find what translation puts you up here. It is okay. I wonder actually, does that affect it? I don't think that would affect it because I use a tick. It doesn't affect it because I use a tick. I can move it as much as I want. Ah, yeah. And now I can't move it because I've changed the menu. Good. Okay. Good. And literally just, I can just copy these things. Even better. I'm gonna have to make something like branch. If our option scroll is equal to 1. Where's my equal integer? Yep, here we are. Then we wanted these. That render translation, the logo to, where did we? Minus 175 to minus 79. It got me that time. Alright. Now from there, I can calculate the rest of the positions. I'll go over that when I get there. It is 2. Set it to 179 and your position is oh that might be an issue. I can't find the position of the items in I can't find the location of these items. I can't find the location of items because I use a vertical box. Interesting. Because it's in a vertical box slot, I can't find the location of it. Because it's auto-calculated. Okay. Very interesting, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. I just have to manually eyeball it, which, fuck. Calculator time. 79 minus 11 is 68, so okay. Let's say that we go with the 68. 11 minus 68 would be minus 57. Right, it would be 57. Sorry, no. It's all wrong. It's all wrong. I did the math wrong. It's 11 plus 68. It would be 79. And that doesn't work. Again, 147. Super doesn't work. Okay. So we're getting somewhere, huh? You're at minus 11. You're at minus 79 before. Minus 70. Oh, you know what? That's why. Minus 79. I can't do math. Negative 79 minus 11 is minus 90. Back at night. Well, this is embarrassing. I'm very bad at math, apparently. Or just visualizing what I'm trying to do. The difference between minus 79 and 11 is 90. Indeed. Go back to 11. Bam. Now we add 90 to it. We're at 101. Bam. We add 90 to it again. 191. That's pretty good, actually. So we're going to go with that. We're going to add 90 every time. Dang it, you got me again. I'm supposed to hit graph. Okay. okay. We're just gonna add another one of these. Up here, you are equal to 3. We add another 90. We're now at 101. We go to 4. We go to shit. It didn't really matter, did it? We go to 4. You are now 191. But then we go to 5 and things change a little bit. Because after we find out it's at 5, we have to split between you. Default should be 1 and your value range should be 1 to 2. Actually, did that for you? Yeah. If you are at 1, your branch, you are equal to 1. Where do we put you? Good question. That would be under apply. Add another 90, 171. I don't think that's going to put us in the right position, but let's see. 260. Oh. Control Z. We're at 191 plus 90. 281. I can't do simple math. That line up. Not exactly. Not exactly. We're not going to go with that. On here, I'm gonna move you a bit closer. 33 by 285. I think that's fine. 33, 285. But if it's not equal to 1, it means you're on exit. It means you are actually going to be over here. Too far. I don't like how close it is to apply, but we'll go for it for now. You're going to be at 238. 238 should be there. Save. Well, this is going to be cursor movement. Give it a try. We don't have the horizontal movement programmed yet, so. Interesting. We saw. Oh, I forgot to put the visibility for that, huh? Actually, I connected it to the wrong section. What I did. Did you see that? It didn't move immediately. And it doesn't move immediately. Interesting. It doesn't move immediately. Very interesting. It works though. It's so fun to see it actually work. Interesting. Interesting. For some reason, it doesn't move upon pressing the button. There we go. No, this is right. This is right. Because then we set all the visibilities. We set options mode on. And you know what? We set a reroute. Easy. I'm gonna put a sequencer because I think no. We don't need a sequencer. No, we don't. We just need a simple reroute. Them even. No. We don't want to run an event. We want to run a delegation. Oop. That's not what I want. Oh man, do I have to just manually drag it all the way? End up doing that. All of these. So I don't have to drag it as much. There we go. Out. Route. I don't know how people get their shit. Route. Out. Eh, what? Where are you going? What? No! I don't even know how you thought of doing that. Why you gotta do this to me? Fine, we just go straight in. So, huh? But why though? What is happening right now? I don't know how reroute nodes work apparently. Delete. Go straight in from here. I don't even care about keeping my shit clean anymore. Fucking. I don't even care. I don't even care. Look ugly. I don't care. Look ugly. Look super ugly. Don't matter to me. It don't matter no more. It don't matter no more. Look ugly for all I care. I'm not a professional. First thing. Why does that happen? If I route it into here. Options is on. If I route it into here. Bro, that's why. Well, it's at 0. I knew what was happening this whole time. I knew it. Default was at 0. I forgot to save it at 1. And because there was no position for 0, it had no position it would go to. I did it! I'm godlike at this. I'm really not. These guys are gonna fucking. You guys are gonna have your own giant branches. Let's be honest. We're gonna check. Options mode is on. If not, you do nothing. And that's the end of that. Okay. So, you're pressing left. And that's fine. That's fine. Press left. And I need a drink of water again. I'm sorry, I like hydrating, and I actually kind of have an addiction to water. It's weird. Be right back. And this is where I think the issue is going to be from before is going to come up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to check if the options menu. If you're in the options menu, then we're going to check what option you're on. And this is where it gets a little tricky. Get this. Because it's going to be different for every option, obviously. One, it does something different. And we're going to keep checking all the way through 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. this, 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 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm going to test this with an easier to mess with setting, the anti-aliasing. That's on 3. So we're going to work on 3 first, actually. Now, how can I approach this? I know there's like a multi-input. Enumerate which do n or do once multi-input. No, that's not what I want either. It's sort of like a flip-flop, but not. It's called sequence. Settings, sequence binding. Hold on, where's the other options? No, it's under flow control. It's under flow control. What is flow control under? What are you under? Flow control under utility. Alright. Did my music stop again? Stop that! Just keep playing the music. Keep playing the music. Alright. Utilities. Flow control. No, we don't want that. We don't want a branch. A multi-gate. Might be what I'm looking That actually might be what I want though. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Just hold on, let's think about this. Let's think about this. When you go into the menu, if you press left, it's going to go -1 to the left. But with this, I can't set. So I'm gonna have to do a get there. Okay, I know what I'm doing. Ah, fuck me though. Am I gonna have to? Am I gonna have to promote these to global variables? It. How to promote to global variable. Oh no. I didn't mean to do that. How about I just control Z twice just in case? Shit. Can't get screen mode. I thought I was so smart. I thought I was so smart. I thought I was so smart making those local variables. Now look at me. Now I gotta go back and make the not local variable. Come on, there has to be an easy way to do this, right? Right, come on, Google, don't fail me now. Man. Okay, fine. You know, but these are texts, so that's not gonna help us. Huh. Actually not gonna help us. Instead, we need to set a new variable anyways. Screen mode value. Add not a boolean, light view. All of you are actually going to converge on this. The widget screen mode variable. It needs to return one value and take. Oh, I see. Second, I think I know it's what. Can I get? Can I get? Oh, look at that! I can just get it. I can just get it. I can get it. Fine. Fine. Mode to variable. To a value. Default is 0 and your default is 0 to 4. Category. Doesn't matter. You're the one I want to mess with. Once again, that's number 3. True. If you press this, set this self -1. See how that works. Let's see. Actually, no, because I'm not done yet. Can we go to game? Fuck me. Fuck. What was it called? Something. Anti. Is that anti-alias on stereo layer? No. Settings. Settings. There we go. Set anti-aliasing quality. Here. Target though is a game user. Earn the value we get from. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Go to anti-aliasing left. Medium. Hey, and graphic quality went to custom, by the way. Low. Oh, but once I go to low, it doesn't change. You must be clamping the low. So okay. We just have to set a small branch. That's fine. I can't spell branch. Then this is less than 0. Set this to, rather this, set it to 4. Which means no to here, and just do another getter. I don't think this applies the setting yet, which is fine. We don't want it to apply immediately. Option. Low, cinematic, yeah. First thing, if I put it back to high, it goes back to noticing high quality. Noticing epic, high, medium, cinematic. Oh no, something is wrong. At cinematic, epic, high, medium. It doesn't hit low. It doesn't hit low. Why doesn't it hit low? Why don't you hit low? Only hit medium. Integers can be negative, right? Integers can be negative, right? I'm not crazy. Integers can be negative, right? Can't be negative. Can't. They can't. Fine then. So instead of checking if it's less than... I have to redo this then. I have to redo this. I have to put the branch first. Branch first. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Branch goes first. Instead of this, I have to check if it's equal to 0. integers should be able to be negative. This is bullshit. Then if it's equal to 0 and it's truly equal to 0, we go back up to 4. If not, we do 1 and 2. This game is canon. Medium low, there we go. Epic high, medium low, cinematic. There we go. There we go. Okay. And just to clean this up, since this is working, I'm going to collapse this to a macro. AA reduce. I can open this up. No problem. Which I might. If I double click it. Oh good, it opens in its own graph. Oh, but it's not gonna really... fuck. I don't need it. I don't need it. Oh no. Can we open the event graph? I closed the event graph. How do I get the event graph back? Here we go. Oh, good. I was going to panic. Alright. Alright. Now we do that the same with all of them, basically. Did I make the variables for all of these? Value. AA value. I didn't make the value for here. How would I do it here? I think I'd just promote this to a variable. Vsync val. And for here, I promote this to a variable. Scale val. We'll go into this the same we did AA. And easy money. Easy money. Back to the event graph. Our first option is graphic quality. Branch. Oh, scale, yes, graphic scale. Is this equal to 0? So, set it to 4. If not, set it to self minus 1. Either way, we go to get user settings. Fuck me. Get user set. Get game user setting. There we go. That one. That's the one. That's the one. Set scale. Here. Resolution scale value. Was that it? No. Fuck. overall scalability level. See the scale value. Turn that, collapse it. We're on a roll, boys. I am tired though. I want to get this done though. Actually, you know what? Nah, we can stop here. We can. Yeah, we can stop here. We can stop here. I'm bent. I don't want to overextend myself. So, thank you to everyone who joined me. I hope you all enjoyed watching.